Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to transfer money from Chase to Capital One. Open the website, then sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Pay and Transfer. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Transfer Money. Click on Transfer Money. On this page, you can now start your transfer. First, select the From and To account. The To account must be your Capital One. If you haven't added an external account yet, click on Add an external checking or savings account. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer. You could also change the transfer date and add a memo. After that, click on Next. Then here, review the transfer details. If everything looks good, click on Transfer Money. That's how you transfer money from Chase to Capital One. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.